In this video, I'll show you how to fix eFootball not launching on Steam. If you're experiencing crashes, errors, or the game simply refuses to start, follow these solutions in order. Let's get started. First, open Steam and go to your library. Find eFootball, then right-click on it and select Properties. From the Properties window, click on Installed Files. Here you'll see the option Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click on it and let Steam scan your game installation. This checks for missing or corrupted files and automatically replaces anything that needs to be repaired. The process may take a few minutes, so wait until it completely finishes. Once it's done, close the window and try launching eFootball again. If the problem is still there, let's move on to the second solution. First, completely close Steam. Look at the bottom right corner of your Windows taskbar and click the small arrow to show the system tray. Find the Steam icon, right-click it, and select Exit Steam. Once Steam is completely closed, open File Explorer. Select This PC, then open your Windows drive, usually the C drive. Now go to Users, open your Windows username, and then open the Documents folder. Look for a folder named Konami and open it. Inside, you should find the eFootball folder. Before deleting anything, make sure Steam is completely closed. Then delete the eFootball folder. This removes the local configuration and cache files that may have become corrupted. Your main game installation is not being removed from Steam by this step. Now launch Steam again and sign back in if necessary. Go back to your library and try launching eFootball. If the game still doesn't work, there's one final solution you can try. Go back to your Steam library, right-click eFootball, select Manage, and choose Uninstall. After the game has been completely removed, restart your computer. Then open Steam again, find eFootball in your library, and reinstall the game. Once the installation is finished, launch it and check whether the problem has been resolved. So to recap, verify the game files, remove the local eFootball folder, and if necessary, reinstall the game completely. Hopefully one of these solutions gets eFootball running normally again. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching.